Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your washing machine is making a loud noise on spin and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your washing machine cycle may be loud because you added too much laundry. Refer to the recommended capacity in your manual. Appropriately reduce the load size to allow your clothes enough room to spin. Another reason for this loud noise on spin is because the tub bearing is worn out. The bearings have a 10-year lifespan. However, they may wear off sooner if not regularly lubricated during maintenance. Contact a professional to replace them with new ones. The loud noise could also indicate that your washing machine is unstable. A child could have moved your washing machine out of balance while playing. The feet should always stand on level ground. Try moving your washing machine and ensure it's perfectly stable. An unbalanced load also causes the loud noise on spin. Every time you load laundry into your washing machine, be keen to evenly distribute them inside. Mixing heavy and light materials can overwhelm the spin basket, resulting in a loud noise when spinning. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.